I sent my friend $200 and asked her to surprise me with some rare tropical plants. The packages are here. I have no idea what's inside them. So let's open them up and find out together. Hello plant friends. If you're new to this channel, I'm a doctor and tropical plant hobbyist in LA. I make videos about my collection, other people's collections, and just general plant care. Let's open these up. Alright, so the boxes are all opened. Let's dig in. So this first plant here, she did warn me that it's a bit not in the most pristine shape. So she did warn me about this. I wonder what it is. Whoa. So this one it's just a Monstera species. Wait, does she actually tell me what it is? No, it's literally that's literally what she wrote. Monstera species. All right. So that's a Monstera. Okay, what else is there? So some sort of Monstera. Okay. This one is, oh, okay. It's a cutting of Monstera borsigiana. Great. Great. Oh, yeah. Nothing wrong with this. Sweet. Seems like this one would be fine. Okay. All right, a borsigiana. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Sweet, sweet. I've been looking for this. Oh, okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. So this guy here is a Midrium. Yes, an Umidrium zippelianum. I just call it an Umidrium zippy. This one I've actually bought several times from several people, and every single time they come, they're just, you know, so burnt that they just die on me. So this looks like a really good specimen. These leaves are a little burnt for sure, but it seems like the roots should be good, and there's enough here that I can definitely work with. For people who are new to buying plants online, you know, shipping, it does stress the plant out. So when the plant gets to you, more often than not, it's not going to look like, you know, exactly like in the pictures in terms of, you know, like how great and green all the leaves are. You know, always expect some shipping damage and some shipping stress, okay? So I feel like this is perfectly acceptable and normal. You know, thanks. You know, big thank you to my friend for sending me this. This is great. I know that she knows that I've been looking for another one of these. So thanks, thanks so much for this. Yeah, the stems look really green, and you know there's a lot of stem, a lot of aerial roots. So I can really bring this guy back, and it'll be great. Okay, I know what this guy is. This one is a Monstera laniata. Yep, Addisonii version or type laniata. Great. I have several of these already. I'm always trying to collect more. I absolutely love them. You know, I mean look at these leaves. right? These are Jurassic Park level, right? You can, I basically just situate them so that they can just hang somewhere or fan out somewhere. Really, really cool jungle vibe. You know, it really adds a certain atmosphere to the place. So, you know, awesome. Thanks so much. This is great. All right, if these are the ones that she said were, you know, in sort of bad shape, I think these are perfectly fine. So let's set them aside. This whole like surprise me thing with this grab bag, this is awesome. Alright, I'm gonna put this box down here, so just give me more space. These plants are really well packaged. She uses these, whatever these things are. Okay. Wow, really, really well packaged. Thanks so much. This is some sort of aglionium. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really... I can't say I know much about the aglionium genus. But... Okay. Looks green. Oh man, I hope my current potting mix will be okay with this. This is great. Thanks. Okay, put this here. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, I love this guy. Yes, this is an Anthurium. Oh, she doesn't really tell me what they are. Ooh, ooh. This, I believe this is an Anthurium Lancia. I actually have a few in my collection already. These just kind of, you know, they grow really tall and then the leaves just kind of hang out. I'll try to film the ones that I have, which are much bigger. So this is a baby one. It's an Anthurium Lancia. Huh. So this one, oh, I've never even heard of this one before. Oh yeah. Oh, this guy looks fun. Yeah, so this one is a Hong Kong NC? Hong Kong or Bong Kong Hensi? I can't. her handwriting. I think this name just sounds so vaguely familiar. But, oh, okay. Oh, this is nice. I really like this funky shape that this one's doing. I assume it's gonna like pot like this, and this other side will just hang out of the pot like this or something. This is okay. This is really fun. I'm excited to see what is going to happen with this one. Rhapsodiophoras, Rhaphidophila, or Rhaphidophora, something like that. Those plants, I have several different species of them, and they all do really well. The most common one, or the most popular and well-known one, is obviously the Rhapsodiophora or Rhaphidophila tetrasperma, right? Super, super popular because very, very easy growing, really fast growing, and also easy to care for. So I suspect that this one will be just as robust and fun to have around. Oh, what the heck are you? Oh my gosh. 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 Woo. I think I gotta get up and walk around a while. This, oh, oh my gosh. I cannot believe my friend got me this. So this one is an Anthurium. Let me see if I can pronounce the name right. Vitarifolium. I think that's it. An Anthurium vitarifolium. I've been casually looking for this plant for a while. I really can't believe she got this for me. Oh my gosh. Thank you. This is awesome. So these Anthuriums, well, obviously you can see the leaves just dangle out of the roots downward. And what I really, really love about them, one, is that the leaves are cool. And if you've seen more mature specimens, the leaves get pretty thick and they can get really, really long. Some people actually just grow these guys upside down like this, but I think I will I will probably do like this, stand them upright, let the leaves dangle. I love these plants because their leaves are dangling, right? So the reason I love them so much is because they fit in high shelf areas, right? When you're really low on space like me and you're building vertically, you generally have a lot of space on these high shelf areas, but high shelf areas, their problem or their limitation is that usually that's where the plants get the least amount of light, right? So when finding plants like these where the leaves dangle downward so that these leaves capture the light but this plant can still sit on that top shelf, this is great. Oh man, yes. And finding plants that fit on the top shelves that really, really speak to you. Oh yes, this plant. Oh, this is absolutely great. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow. Ooh, this is wonderful. Okay. Oh, okay, this last one. So this is the last one. So this one, this is probably the plant that she warned me about being in somewhat not so good condition. So this one is the Epipenatum, or this is the Epipenum pennatum skeleton key. So a lot of you guys who are just starting in the tropical plant hobby probably know Epipenum pennatum as a different name, such as pothos. So a lot of the hanging pothos that you find at your Home Depot, your Lowe's, any of the big box stores, a lot of those that you see as pothos, they're Epipenum pennatum. And this is just another species of Epipenum pennatum. So this one is actually a pretty mature specimen. Even though, ignore the yellow of the leaves, but it's a mature specimen. I know that because it seems like this was part of a much bigger specimen and she sent me a cutting. And I can also tell because the leaves are really, the leaves are pretty large. So one of the appeal of this Epipenum pennatum skeleton key is the leaves, right? This is kind of where the plant got its name from, is the leaves. The leaves are really funky. This is probably the only plant I know that has a leaf structure like this. I don't think there are any other plants that has leaves that are remotely close to this. I'll probably make a future video about plants with funky leaves. If you guys are interested, please comment below if you think you're interested or would be interested in watching a video about plants with funky leaves, especially rare tropical plants with funky leaves. All right, so this was the last plant. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun. This was awesome. This was a lot of fun. I don't know, I hope that you guys had a lot of fun watching this, but I had a blast. This is amazing. I think I'm going to do more of these surprise me plant hauls because this was awesome, and it's introducing me and giving me other plants and more plants that I otherwise would not hunt down specifically, but this is great. This is absolutely wonderful. So till next time, guys, happy planting.